The CTM method is a very effective way to get your child to stop whining or fighting and bickering with their siblings or backtalking you easily, quickly, and immediately. There is a CTM method for infants and toddlers. Such a huge relief! Seriously. But this specific video is for ages 4 to 8 years old. To find the CTM method for infants and toddlers, you can get the link in the description below for that, or I'll put a link at the top of the screen here. So CTM means cover the mouth. If your child has a habit of whining, fighting, or bickering with siblings or talking back, here is step-by-step how to set up the CTM method for now and in the future. Number 1, have a conversation. Sit down at a time of no conflict to have a short 1 to 2 minute conversation. Let your child know that this habit they have of whining, fighting and bickering, or backtalking you is a problem, and you want to be there to help them solve it. There's no need to be accusing in your attitude. Kind of have an attitude of trying to solve a problem with them, and that this will be a mutual benefit to everyone, including them. Number 2, show them how. If they're only 4 or 5 years old, you can demonstrate how to cover their mouth with their own hand. Have them try it, like this. Make sure they're covering their entire mouth. Let them know that this is what you're going to instruct them to do when they start those kinds of behaviors. This will help them take control of themselves so that you don't have to take control. All they have to do is do this when you tell them to. Number 3, practice. Tell them that before they do this, you're going to ask them a question. Do you need to do CTM or are you done? That's the question you're going to ask. Do you need to do CTM or are you done? If at that point they don't change their behavior, you will say, cover your mouth please. Then tell them you're going to practice right now. Say you're going to tell them to cover their mouth and let them do it. Number 4, give them the responsibility to end it. Let them know they will be allowed to stop covering their mouth when you ask them if they are done. So after 30 seconds to a minute or so, if they've been quiet, then you're going to ask them, are you finished? This lets them know that they can end the episode when they gain control of themselves and show you they're ready to behave. If they say they are ready, but then they continue the inappropriate behavior, just repeat the process. Number 5, follow through. The first moment you hear them start to whine, fuss, bicker, talk back, etc., remind them of CTM. Say, do you need CTM or are you done? Do not let it go for several minutes and then do CTM. The point is to stop it immediately, so if you let it go on for a few minutes, it hasn't done that. This method works wonders if you're consistent and follow through. Consistency is the key to effectiveness. If you'd like more step-by-step parenting methods, you can get the book How to Train Your Child to Behave that's available in the links below. There's also a free online course of how to train your child to behave that's available on this YouTube channel. Or you can click on one of the cards on the screen now. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe. Parents, you can do this. Thanks for watching.